In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a view-only PDF from Google Drive. When you open a PDF in Google Drive and it's set to view only, you'll notice you can't download, print, or copy it directly. The download button might be disabled, and there's no obvious way to save a copy to your device. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a practical workaround that lets you save the content for offline viewing, while still being mindful of any copyright or sharing rules that may apply. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Then locate the PDF you can only view. Click on the file so it opens in the Google Drive viewer. Take a moment here to make sure the entire document loads properly. Scroll through a few pages so everything is visible and rendered clearly. Because the direct download option is blocked, the idea is to capture the visible content instead. One straightforward way to do this is by using your browser's print function. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. This opens the print dialog for the document you're currently viewing. In the print window, instead of choosing a physical printer, look for the option that says Destination or Printer. Change this to Save as PDF. If that option isn't shown right away, click on See More or More Printers until you find Save as PDF or a similar virtual PDF printer. Once that's selected, check the preview on the right side. Make sure the pages you need are included. If the document is long, you can either choose all pages or specify a page range, like from page 1 to page 10. You can also adjust layout options such as portrait or landscape and scale to make the text as clear and readable as possible in your saved copy. When everything looks good, click on Save. Your browser will then ask you where to store the new PDF. Choose a folder on your computer where you can easily find it later. Give the file a clear, recognizable name and confirm the save. After it finishes, go to that folder and open the saved PDF to make sure it looks right, and all the pages you needed are there. You now have a local copy of the view-only PDF that you can open, read, and access offline.